It's a beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest. We're going to be filling up some of these garden beds with some extra soil. So it's about November time frame right now, and we want to put these suckers to sleep so next spring we can plant freshly in them. So I'm going to take you along for the ride. So in case you didn't see our last episode, we had a flat tire on the wagon. So you can check that out. We replaced the stem on it. So I think we're good to go. This is the new stem right here. Feels solid. In the garden, well, one, because we got lots of dirt, and two, so it grows good. I think our dirt.
Let's speed this up. You think you dig all this up today?
To the garden. All right, up back to the garden. So all these garden beds we put in a few years ago, and we're on top of sand. And the sand just dries everything out. So when we water this in the summer, it's like instantly dry. So we've added some extra cedar. We're about a foot now, maybe 14 inches off the ground. So we want to top these all up. And then we're gonna tarp them. All right, Lou, let's do this one right here first. I feel like I'm hitting something.
No, you're just hitting the grass.
Okay. Can you guys help?
But brother, I need to help.
Whew. Kinda worked, eh?
It did work actually. I think you need one load per little.
Do you want to back up first, Lou? And then I'll hook it back on?
Sure. What do you mean back up?
Well, we're gonna go get another load, so I think if
Wait,
this...
you want to go get
Here, I can just hook it up. Maybe you can do it.
I can back. No, I can back.
Oh, I got it.
I'll go help get another load while you stay here, and then next time I get a stay. Okay?
There you go. Try it. Here, come over here. Let's see this. Let's see your hoe. We're going to put another load in, so you don't need to go all the way over there. What we'll do is you just come here and then just go like this. Okay, and we'll put another big load in right there. What's that? This is the block. Round one is complete. We're on to round two, load number 2. And the girls beat me down here. All right, let's speed this up just a little bit faster to move things along here. back right in there and I'm gonna dump it. Can you do that good?
Yeah. No, you cannot back into there.
No? Whoa! Get some.
No, the tires are a bit big for this.
Okay, come into it. Oh, we might break it.
Should I like lift it up too?
I feel like it needs to twist. Oh!
No, let's Steve, give me the hoe.
Where am I hitting?
Wait, you're stepping on the soil.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep it fluffy. Here, I'll just take a... No, I got it. You ready? Watch out there, Louie Wooey.
Dad, I feel like it's gonna stop. So.
Oh! Whew. I don't recommend that. That's hard on the old back. Steve, there's a shovel behind you. Good? Can I pull it out?
Not really.
What? You didn't get it all out.
Yeah, I can't get it out of the shovel.
Fire! I'll get you hired, Dad.
I want to be fired. Me too.
Let's do that, Steve. Watch your back. We are on to load number 3. Blue's already beat me there. So, the verse of the day is Isaiah 12 verse 2. You know what that one is?
Nope.
Surely God is my salvation. I will trust and not be afraid. I think grade 6. I memorized that one.
Grade 6.
What grade are you in?
7.
Grade 7? You're falling behind.
No, not.
Oh yeah, you got one for me?
11 hours?
Yeah.
I got like 100.
Okay, give me one.
1 Timothy 4:10.
Okay.
Yeah.
1 Timothy 4:10. Okay, give it to me.
Cartoons. And we will flavor suffer reproach because we trust in the living God who's the Savior of all men.
That's sweet. I didn't know that one. Thank you.
I think that's 1 Timothy 4:10.
I see a plastic bag in our dirt pile.
I'm ahead 1 grade, so.
Oh, sorry.
When you were 11, what grade were you in?
I think when I was 12 or 13, I broke my arm. That was grade 6.
12 or 13.
So I think probably grade 5.
And I'm grade 7, so I'm 2 years ahead of you.
What?
Okay, one more.
We found a carrot.
Well, it tastes gross, right?
Tastes like a carrot with dirt on it.
I put a carrot stash in that garden, and we're not gonna do it today, so I got a carrot stash.
I can speed the video up. Why would I speed? I don't know why.
Well, Luana's learning how to back up. Ready? Oh, that didn't work. Oh, that didn't work. Oh, that didn't work.
I found a little baby.
Oh my. Can we just break the whole bed?
Yeah.
You went back when you still did that?
No. 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 It's too heavy. I'll have to fix it.
Is this the last load then?
What? Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. All right, this is load number 4, and our second bed should be done after this and after we repair what I just broke. It's always good to have a flat shovel where someone can clear up the ground like so. A little bit harder on your back lifting it up, but we're working all the angles. Good? Up we go. That stem on that tire is holding out really well. We got a full load and still full of air, so that's good. The boys have created a couple jumps here. I'll link to some videos of them flying off them, but pretty brave young men there. And just keep it however you think is good.
I'm not a pie. I'm not Louie either.
Coming through, Louie.
I'm not Louie.
What's your name?
My name's actually Stevie
Up you go.
Lynn, but
Stevie.
everyone calls me Stevie.
Oh yeah. All right, I just got to trim this little dude behind me and level that off. And these 2 beds are done, other than we're going to tarp them till next winter. Well, while we're at it, I'm going to clean up a few hoses here. Winter time's coming and nothing like a frozen hose. So we'll take these over to the shed and we'll grab some cutters. Okay, I found some snips in the garden shed. We're gonna cut these off, throw them in the compost, and then bury the plant. But it'll grow through in the spring, right? So we'll just give it a shot right about there. Well, that made a really good, nice little mess. See? Clean that up. We'll put all right, I got Gilbert and Rosie over there. We just finished up the 2 beds. Gonna put the lawn tractor away and the trailer back. What are you guys up to?
Stomping onto my compact.
Stomping on it. Okay, let's move this thing. Go get muddy. Whoa! Okay, we gotta disconnect that. Can you guys help disconnect that? Hold the pin. We're good for now. Other than covering up those 2 beds, we are good to go. What do you say?
Yeah.
See ya?